Hey guys, this is HoldYourTablet.com, and today we'll be showing you how to install your new Bakbone. The Bakbone is a lightweight ring-like device that attaches to the back of your tablet. This allows the tablet to be held in one hand while the other hand can freely roam your device. In your box, you will receive the Bakbone, an alcohol pad, and the instruction manual. Make sure you read through the instruction manual thoroughly before installing your Bakbone. The first step in installing your shiny new Bakbone is to clean the back of the tablet using an alcohol pad. Make sure to clean the back of the device where you want to install the Bakbone completely, and wait for it to dry before moving on to the next step. Step 2 to installing your Bakbone is to expose the adhesive and then attach it to your tablet. Once you apply the Bakbone to the spot of your choice on your tablet, make sure to hold for 60 seconds so that the adhesive can bond. After at least 60 seconds, remove the Bakbone and a white spacer will be left. Take the white spacer and throw it away. After removing the white spacer, attach the Bakbone to your tablet to make sure that it has a secure hold. The last step of your Bakbone installation is to enjoy your new Bakbone. Thanks for watching. Go to www.holdyourtablet.com for more information and help.